It's time for the origami elephant. So we take a HACKiBill or a regular dollar bill. We're going to take that thing, we're going to fold it in half lengthwise. So just like this. I usually go both sides first so I can line it up and then press down the middle. Boom. Okay, then we're going to fold it in half like this. Cool. And we're going to make sure that we have this side on the top part right here. Because right now we're going to do like an airplane fold. Go down there, crease down to the middle. Other side like this. Like that. Cool. I'm going to take this side and fold it down like that. You got this. And then like that down to there. Just goes to about the halfway point. Doesn't be exactly precise. But it's kind of cool to get it right there. So you can roll it if you need to. All right, and the other side, let's do that as well. You know, kind of make it at that point. It's good. Line it up into there. See, that doesn't match up, but it's not really that necessary. As long as it doesn't go past this midway point. All right, but that's close. Go like that, fold it down like that. All right. I'm going to take this part, fold it over, and then line it up so it's going halfway between there. And we're going to clip it like that. Turn it around. Okay, take this part, and we're going to fold it back upon itself halfway so it lines up right there. And there. And press that down. Cool. And then I come like this, and I fold this down so it lines up right like here. Right with the shoulders. What are going to be the shoulders? Once we're done, I'm going to fold this, take that part now and fold it back so that this part, this white part sticks out a little bit up here. So I'll show you that in a second. So you can line up with basically that. This side is good too. See? That and that. And then we fold that down. Perfect. That's what we should have so far. Now we're going to turn it over to the back side. Fold this side down like that. This over here. And we're going to take the middle part right here and pull it out and then push those down. So you get a nice little gap. Now these don't even need to look clean. They just go like that. Then we're going to do the other side too. Boom. This one. Take the middle part, pull it out, push it down, fold, and fold. Right? So then we turn it back over, and then we come to this part right here. We flip this whole part back, like that. Go back halfway over the shoulder part, right there and there, and push that down. All right, perfect. Then we're going to take it and fold this in half, like that. Go all the way that one right there. There's an aardvark. Hi. And then we're going to take this part right here, open this up with the back finger part, press it down like this, just like about that much, and we're going to fold it underneath and tuck it under until the trunk comes flush with that. All right, we're going to pull it out, spread it apart a little bit, crimp it just above there, all right, to form the trunk. All right, little horns right there, tusks. Going to twist this up. That's for good luck. The elephant tusks up. Going to take this part now and fold it back like that. Crease it right there. Then just take this part and re-emphasize that fold by pulling it in like that. Okay. And then we're going to take the tail part, push in like that at the top. So we're going to leave a little bit fold down there. And then we crimp it all the way down like that. Now leaves a little tuck right there. Push in like that. Got the tail, got the head, tusks, and an eye. It's a one-eyed elephant, but it's still an eye. There you go. And there it is. In this case, a HACKiBill elephant fold brought to you by Craniogami. So fold your brain into shape at craniogami.org.